What's up mga Lods? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa videong ito, may nakita ko kay Sports Production, ang YouTube channel. Ang pamagat ay kay Dylan Harper, 2024 to 25 highlights. So mag-subscribe kayo dito kay Dylan Harper, kay Sports Production. So tingnan natin, kasi number 2 to sa draft pick anak to ni Ron Harper. Tingnan natin kung gaano kagaling tong anak niya. Sinasabi na the next Manu or the next James Harden tong taong to. So wag natin patagalin to. Let's go sa go.
Asked Dylan Harper about those nerves today. He said, nah, not on game day. I get nervous the day before a game. His first shot as a Scarlet Knight is a made triple. Making some big time plays early.
Andy Katz, preseason #1 guard in the conference, showcasing.
Wagner's only been to the line once. Harper another steal. And the finish! Oh, he hung in the air for a long time.
Galing.
Tough right there, using that inside shoulder to create separation, and Dylan Harper inside in.
Talked about the size, too, of those guards. Acuff 6'4" and 210. I mean, every guard they put on the floor, it's just a physically imposing guard when you got smaller guys. Nice find, and Hayes the finish.
The game is just slowed down.
Boom. Iniisip ko, paano ilalagay kasi iniisip ko din, hindi siya bagay sa off the bench. Kung yung off the bench ng San Antonio Spurs. Ang naging kasi dito, mayroon silang De'Aaron Fox. Isa laruan nito ni Dylan Harper. So far tingnan natin kung sa NBA nga, sana siya, hindi siya yung, ang tawag dito, hindi siya mabansagang overrated. Ang galing niya, may laro talaga siya eh. Saka syempre, 'di ba, anak siya ni Ron Harper. Syempre hindi niya ipapaya yung tatay niya, 'di ba, na isa ring magaling na NBA player. Ang galing. Ang smooth ng galaw. Napakasimple lang. Sa anong height nito, parang 6'6", 6'5", pero guardia yung laruan. Yung mga ganun sa atin, parang mga big man yung laro eh.
Absolutely tremendous. He was so good in his first chance as a collegiate head coach at Penn State. Took him to the NCAA tournament and then got the big contract
Boom.
in South Bend. His finish there is Dylan Harper. Is strong like bold.
He is very strong. Great hesitation right there. You said it.
Knesny turns on Hayes. There's Durkak again. Forces another Notre Dame turnover. Harper driving. Harper with the 2 fouls. Able to avoid the contact to lay it in. Under Jim Calhoun. Little run. He's headed. Wow! Bursting to the basket. And Rutgers within 3 on Dylan Harper's chair. That got pops off his feet. He's got lottery pick written all over.
Looking like Ron Harper in Cleveland before the injury, getting downhill, and his pops approved.
And now Durkak telling Harper to give it back to him. Oh, Harper says, I got this.
Great touch, strength, talent. Ooh, this kid can play.
Big time.
Tapang niya.
And there's Harper.
Tapang siya eh. Hindi siya kinakabahan. Sana ganyan din siya sa pagpasok sa NBA.
Guard who can board for sure. Harper, pull up 3. Oh, that is spite. And now Harper picking on Ives. Harper gets right by him. Scores and 1. Dylan Harper.
Alley. An attack avoided.
These players are tired.
They are tired.
Their legs.
They are fatigued right now.
Cross court. Williams for 3. Big shot.
Ang galing yung papasa yun.
Jeremiah Williams.
First of all, as you called it, great awareness there. Williams in the corner. Harper 5.
Ron Harper, 5-time NBA champion.
I don't know
Dylan
that.
pulled the string on him and delivers. Chance for Rutgers. Bailey moves it to Harper. Harper with his right hand. And now spins and scores. Patient. They left him.
Harper's working fast, and Harper carves it off the window.
sitting on those 2 points he had at halftime. He steps into a three and connects.
It doesn't take them long.
Staying in the stands for a while here. Down to
Parang siya si James Harden na yung mostly yung galaw niya nasa nakikita ko sa observation ko. James Harden.
5 on the clock for Harper. He hoists the three. He hit it again. Or it was called a foul. Here was Harper the other way.
I mean, shot clock running down. So he's going to continue to get his number called.
Oh, Harper, little hook. Wow. Harper off a jab. Short. Obole second chance. Right back, same spot. Harper got it this time.
Top scoring freshman in the nation, averaging 23 points per game.
And you see how Penn State's going to guard him.
Not from that far out.
That's right.
He's made 4 out of 6 already. They get 5 out of 7 and a chance for more. Williams baseline. Oh, that was pretty. Dylan Harper
Around the shot blocker. Putting it on. Rucker. Harper.
maybe as easy as 2 tonight. Spin move, almost lost it. Another spin move. Finds his freshman. Ace Bailey with a chance for 3.
Dami mga players sa kanila, no? Pati ang ganda, ano pa dito, ang lalaking tao. Di ba yung height nila, yung height natin, kumbaga yung height nila, sa atin, mga sentro ng laruan eh. Sa kanila mga gwardiya yan, mga 1, 2, 3, o sabihin natin. Mga ganun ng height. Saka pag nanonood ako ng Gilas, tanda ko yung matchup ni Luis Scola sa aking Mark Pinghuis. Ang height ni Pinghuis, 6'5". Si Scola, mga 6'10". San lapad pala. Samantalang pag sa NBA, pag pinapanood, parang slim lang tignan. Diba? Nung pinapanood ko, sabi ko, no match na no match. Kahit masakit parang sakit tanggapin pag manonood. Kaya sabi ko, gabi to, mga to, lalaking tao, mga laro ang gwardiya.
Dylan Harper gets the ball back, loses it for a second, gets it back, spin, hit his man, Ace Bailey. 6'10", long.
But someone for Rutgers has to step up and turn the heat up just a little bit here.
Yeah, Bailey, nice dump down in traffic. That's well done. He got it in, a minute left.
Harper finishes. Boy, when Dylan Harper was, dealing with those foul situations, but he continues again.
Isaiah has the last 9 points, and here we go. End to end. Dylan Harper, the buzzer. Hello, how do you do? Somewhere, Ron Jr. is smiling and thinking, hey, remember Purdue? Remember Purdue? Mine was from half court. This one was a deep 3.
This is Williams. Good recovery here against Harper with the spin. Dylan Harper. To do a couple of things here. Watch the cross, the spin, and now watch him in traffic. They can open up the floor. Wow, look at this. Harper! Dylan Harper's extraordinary! Woo. Loves it! And you watch him with the shake out front, sets the guy up. Look at this. He's a lefty. He goes to the right. He leaves one.
Yung pa yung doon, kaliwete siya, nailipat niya ng kanan. Talented tong taong to.
Here's Harper. Gets a clean look and buries it.
Play made by Obole in the...
Oh, grab and go with your best player, right?
That's right. Oh, that's nice.
Somerville, yes! Centerfold, a chance for 3 for Rutgers.
How about in the Ivy League right there? He can come right back and score quick.
He has 9 points.
Galing.
It's Harper. It's Bailey. It's a freshman step.
Ang galing ng passing ability niya. Mukhang pag magkasama sila ni Wemby, lalo na sa in the future, yung tandem nila mukhang magiging maganda. Si Wemby kasi ang kailangan kailangan din niya ng magaling na point guard na yung magaling mamasa. Parang nung time na yun before, kila Tim Duncan, Tony Parker, Manu Ginobili. Wala siyang problema doon sa, si Tim Duncan, walang problema doon sa dalawa eh. Lalo lang play nila pick and roll. Eh yung dalawang yun, magaling din sa pagmamasa ng bola eh. Pag screen niya, alam na kagad yung gagawin eh.
Harper to steal. Open floor to the rim. Lays it in.
Despite his recent struggles with his health, he's still top 10 in the conference in assists. Harper splitting the defense.
Oy.
Looking for two, can't get that one. Long rebound out to Harper. Second chance again. Harper drives to Somerville, and we're tied.
Gotten good threes so far. They've been good looks. They've been in rhythm. They just haven't been able to get them to go.
Harper stop and go and rattles it in. And another turnover.
Davis has been so active with his hands.
It's at least his second or third poke away. Harper underneath.
Dylan Harper saw the matchup there.
Running away with a win. Poked away. Gibbs Lawhorn got his hand in there. Yakachonis numbers not on his side.
Boom.
Rejected into the fifth row by Harper.
Off the turnover, you have to love the effort here. But that number is up to 51% in this game. Rutgers' two-point defense hasn't been great. Here's a first
Boom.
shot by Bailey.
Grabe, ang galing
That didn't take
mamasa.
long.
Interesting.
Uno gusto.
Brad Underwood is coming out of second half. No Gibbs Lawhorn on the floor.
Oh.
Inside Grimes. Oh! Over the top of Ivisic.
Hammer it. And then Dylan Grant is an active cutter. You
Somehow kept it in play. Bailey lost the handle to Harper. Transition three. Got it.
feet. It's not going to hang in the loop. This was almost a turnover, but it ends up being a Dylan Harper triple.
Half is gone. That was going to go down. Harper with the spin. Nice find to Dylan Grant.
For 18 a game. And they're only down one. Harper has two, and Bailey has three.
Harper, he'll line up a three. And he drills it.
Have the ability to explode offensively. Just a walk-up three there.
Game didn't happen. He'll try again on Sunday against Ohio State. Here's Harper, and he gets fouled. The basket counts, and he is really taking over here in this first half. He's got 12 points.
So you can see he's a good athlete, but looking for the contact, didn't get it. That's what I was talking about earlier. If you go to the contact and not trying to make it, Harper with another three.
Be more fundamentally sound. Harper, hard to the glass, score it, and one.
Talk about lightning quick, smooth yet powerful at the same time to get through all that inbound. Gets it to Harper, 9 on the shot clock as we approach 5.5 to go. Fade away.
Boom.
Is good by Dylan Harper. And Acuff got a piece of that. Here's Harper the other way, challenging down the lane to a strong hand off the glass and count it. Important game for both of these teams. They do not want to be left out of the Big Ten tournament. Bottom three don't make it. Pull up under duress. Oh my goodness.
Use that size, but just take a look. When he steps back, look at those shoulders. Gets that left, goes down and...
There's Harper.
Sa mga ganyan din pala siguro, nag-advantage niya bukod siguro sa anak siya ng isang NBA legend. Siyempre, sasanayin guys. Yun nga mula pagkabata, sinasanay na siyang humawak ng bola ng tatay niya. Kaya sakto, point guard din yung tatay niya nung iha niya. So kumbaga yun nga, advantage siya sa laro niyang yun, na may anak siya ng isang NBA player. Natuturuan siya habang bata pa. Kasi mga ganun pag maliit pa lang, yun pala sabi na, habang maliit pa lang, dapat tinitraining na, halimbawa basketball, habang maliit pa lang, training na sila, ititraining na sila ng mga magulang. Lalo-lalo na kapag basketball player din yung magulang. Lalo ay yung tatay pala.
Students counting down. He got right to the basket, throws it down.
He does so much for you, Dylan Harper.
Tsaka yung mga ganito din, mga disiplina din talaga. Kailangan disiplina sa sarili. Kaya ganyan din siguro yung mga laruan nila. Kailangan may disiplina kayong tamang pagkain. Yung palang sekreto sa mga katulad nila.
And a headband, maybe.
Harper.
This is what Rutgers needs more of. Nah, that's what I mean. Broken floor.
Oh! Strong and smooth at the finish.
And so much is going to be made of Dylan Harper's offense, and rightfully so. But look how he converts defense into offense. Ooh, great move between the legs.
I don't know if I've called a game, Jalen, where I can say a team has made 17 of the last 19.
Whoa.
Make it 18 out of 20.
Grabe.
How you boss up.
Harper. Oh, that's how you silence the crowd.
Step back for Harper. Boy, that's pretty. How about the space he created right there? I mean, Dawson Garcia is with him on the initial drive. Dylan Harper is getting way away from him. Garcia with
Simpleng-simple.
Jeremiah.
Yung ganong tirana niya, talagang halatang sanay na siya eh. Kumbaga simple lang sa kanya.
Williams on that possession never let Garcia get the ball. Harper crosses over. Yes! And the foul! Well, in these situations, the alley of time, 15 to shoot. Harper sizing up Odekale, attacks it, stops. Oh, what a spin!
Oh.
Shocking type of game,
Boom.
especially in a rivalry game. It's not where it needs to be, but it has been for the most part better.
Acuff back to Harper. Off to a slow start, just 1 out of 4 and a couple of turnovers. Spins in tight. Might have heard that.
That is it.
Harper, reverse spin inside. And a family this. Ball taken away there by Acuff. Harper corrals it, has Bailey.
Look out.
Up top. Rebound ripped down. Harper in a hurry and gets all the way home.
One time is pretty impressive because things were not going well for Rutgers, and they found their way back into this game.
Rutgers on top again. Harper inside, Grant with 2.
Dylan Harper making the right play. 2 on the ball. Somebody's got to be open.
He tries one.
Mas nakatato.
Shot clock to 6. Backdoor Harper.
Boom! So yun, tapos na to eh. So yun, subscribe kayo dito, Sports Production. Grabe, Dylan Harper. May pa itong pick ko eh. Hindi lang dahil Spurs fan ako, pero ang galing eh. Ang galing niya. So yun, sana supportahan niyo tong aking bagong channel, Master Renz TV. Ayan. Thank you so much sa pagsama. See you in my next video. And mag-iingat po kayo palagi.